How to download product video from AliExpress. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, in order for us to download videos from AliExpress, we will be using an app. So go ahead and open up your Play Store and then search for Video Downloader and install this app right here. Once you do that, open the app and let's go to AliExpress. Okay, as you can see, there's an arrow button right here. This arrow indicates whether there are videos that you can download on this page or not. If the arrow is gray, meaning that this page has no videos. So let us go to a product page with a video so I can show you how it will work. Let me just search for a product. I don't know, for example, Nintendo. Let me search for it. This one right here. As you can see, as soon as I land on the page, the arrow will turn red, meaning that there's a video on this page that you can download, which is this video right here in front of us. So click on the red arrow and it will give you the videos. If there are several videos, it will show you several options that you can download and rename, and you can select or unselect using this check mark right here. So you can even rename the video, say for example Nintendo Switch. Click on rename and then click on fast download. You might get an ad and your video will be now downloaded to your phone, and you will find it in the progress tab, which I will show you right now. At the bottom right here, the progress tab, here's your video and it's now being downloaded. So the process is very easy and simple, and once the download is end, you will find the video on your gallery just like any other video. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download videos from AliExpress. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.